Today, let's talk about the occur check in Prolog. First, a dangerous example. X equals f, x. In some Prolog systems, this succeeds and creates a cyclic term. But this can be dangerous. It may even cause a segmentation fault in low-level implementations. Why does this happen? Because standard unification often skips the occur check. It does not check whether a variable appears inside its own term. So x becomes something like x equals f, f, f. Now, how can we avoid this? Use the ISO predicate, unify underscore with underscore occurs underscore check /2. For example, unify underscore with underscore occurs underscore check, x, f, x. This correctly fails. So the key idea is, fast unification skips safety, but ISO unification ensures correctness. If you care about safety, use occurs check.